So today guys, we're gonna be shifting a little bit from the coverage of ongoing constructions, though we have a little construction attached to this video, but we're gonna be shifting a little bit from any construction, to go and have a view of what Onitsha and its environment is looking like every Monday. So yesterday being Monday, I took out my time, decided to go and have a view since I have not done this before. So do I have witnessed few of it, but I've never done this kind of video. So today I just took out my time to go and have a few view of what Onitsha and other environment is looking like every Monday sit at home. So when we started, when I hit the road, I noticed that from that Asaba angle, the sit at home somehow affected it. It's not that bustling like it used to be on a normal market day. So heading towards Onitsha, you can see I'm currently on the bridgehead, and on a normal day, on a normal business day, this place is filled up. It will be filled up, a lot of traffic will be experiencing here, but as you can see today, the bridge is just empty. It's almost empty, though as time goes on, like in the morning it is usually empty. Coming towards that afternoon time, maybe 12:1, within 2 or so, the flyover will become a little bit busy. So we give a tour of the flyover, and you can see that it's empty. From here we headed to the entrance from Onitsha, and when we got there, you can see for yourself, it's empty, but not that very empty. It's not that very empty. At least people are outside, doing one or two. People are outside doing one or two. Some agboros are even outside. Some Asaba motors are also doing their thing over there. Not every other vehicles, few of them are there doing their their normal transportation. So leaving all these axes, if you get to Oga Junction, which is Obogo axis, Obogo is already on shutdown. It's on shutdown because they are major market, so it's on shutdown, and that Oga axis is a little bit dull, more than this head bridge axis, which you'll be also seeing on this video when we get to that particular location. So from all I can see, when I give this tour, I can say that people are gradually coming out. They are gradually coming out right now, unlike before that everywhere will be so quiet and so empty. No, it has minimized. It has eased down a little bit. People are coming out little by little. The only market that has not been opening at all are the bigger major market, or the major market around Onitsha are the ones that are still on hold, are still on shutdown. Somewhere like Obogo, Aid Bridge Market, or Borrowed, and the rest of them, or Market, all those places are still on shutdown. So this is after Oga Junction, heading towards electronics pass, and Oboroba, Obo Plastic, and the rest of them. So you can see that all this angle is very, very scanty. Some few motors are seen running on the road. Others are on short. They are just everywhere is shut down. So except just few other things that is happening. So immediately we left the electronics and the Oboroba, will be heading down to Okpoko. From what I saw from that Okpoko axis, some market women are they're doing their normal business, not that very lively. They are just inside the gate, a kind of doing their business little by little. Is not that very, very busy, just a little bit. So the market is not fully opened due to many people are still in fear, so they are not yet outside. They are not yet a kind of started the market fully. So from that Okpoko axis, which I will also show you a glimpse of it, though I did not come down to capture them, so I'll show you the glimpse of it when we get to the Okpoko. So from the Okpoko, we'll be heading down to Lagos Park, then from Lagos Park to Opiweka, where I'll also show you the ongoing construction of a canal or big drainage system around that Lirive market. They wanted to construct the reconstruct or maintain the already constructed big drainage system around that relief market. So the equipment has been brought already, which I will be showing you in this video. So from this angle, we are currently heading to the Lagos Park and to that relief market. So before I will show you the construction of the drainage system, I will also show you the view of Owerri Road, how it is looking like, because when I alighted at the final bus stop for Asaba, those coming from Asaba, their final bus stop, when I alighted from there, I decided to go and have a view of Owerri Road, to also know how that place is. So when I get to Owerri Road, the connecting route to Owerri Road from that Opiweka axis, Nitel axis, this is under the bridge in Opiweka. So from that Nitel axis heading towards Owerri Road, those people are a kind of little bit busy. They are opening up gradually. When I get there, while some of them are already doing their business. You can see that the place is somehow busy. Even those using their foot to do their thing are there. So the road is quite busy from what I saw coming towards here. So it's quite busy. So after here and after the gutter reconstruction, I'll also be showing you the looks of the night. You can see that you also see that it's very busy, like not very busy but somehow busy over there. So I visited this Owerri Road. This particular road is somehow busy, but the Owerri Road, the main Owerri Road axis, from the angle I viewed or placed my camera, is a little bit dull than this particular axis, which you will also be seeing on this video. So from there we'll take you down to where the construction is going on. So this is it. You can see somehow more scanty than where we left from. So, and here is the big drainage system or canal. All the people selling along this area before has been chased out. They have chased all of them out. A lot of people are selling on this road axis before. If you know this road very well, a lot of market women are selling along this area, along this main road. So they have chased all of them out, to maybe to give way for the reconstruction of this particular canal. So every market women along this area has been chased out. So right now we are heading down to that to the construction site where the construction is currently going on. So this is it, and from what you can see over here, I think almost all the equipment, or should I say some of the equipment that is needed for the job, has already been here. So, and the samples of the name of the company and the signal that shows is Soludo that is constructing it is already there. So this is relief axis, and that is the pedestrian bridge around that relief market side. So you can see the way it is. So all the market women along here has been chased out in order for them to work on this particular place. So this is all I have to show you about the the construction of this drainage system. But the only thing is that no workers is on site the day we visited. I think I've been passing here for some days now, or close to 1 week, and I have not seen any workers on site, so I don't actually know what is happening. But I'm hoping maybe they are having some delays, and very soon they will commence the work, because here urgently need attention. If you check it very well, you can see that if this place is left this way until the next rainy season, it will be a disaster. So from here we are heading towards the MCC side. So this is the Nitel axis. You can see that it's a little bit busy over there. So but all this angle heading towards that MCC axis is somehow not that busy. It's empty, it's almost empty. So here it's not that busy. So some places that we're gonna be experiencing some, but I did not capture them though. Kind of little busy is maybe where the police mount their checking point and the rest. So we are heading to the MCC, and actually nothing is happening over MCC. It's a little bit scanty over there. So from MCC, this is the MCC leg over. From this MCC we'll be heading down to the tomato market, and I can tell you guys what I experienced in around that tomato axis side. I can tell you that they are fully functional. They are doing their business over there. Tomato market is fully functional. You're gonna be seeing everything in this video. They are fully functional. The only thing is that people are not outside, but they are doing their business. You will know tomato market before the army barrack, so they are fully functional over there. You'll be seeing everything on this video. From that tomato market axis we headed down to army barrack axis, and then to Seaman. At that Seaman I ended my videoing. I could not proceed, so I already captured all I want to capture. So from the Seaman army barrack I had reverse back to my base. So guys, if you have watched this video to this extent, kindly give us your comment, like the video, and also kindly share, and also give us your take on the comment section. Let's know what you think. So you can see that December is approaching. Everybody needs money, for upkeep and for other things. So a lot of people, I believe, will be eager to come outside this Christmas to do their business, and that is it. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Do have a wonderful day until we meet again in our next update. Thank you, and bye.